Retro got back with another one on today's episode. Yo, you can see it for yourself. We're taking a look at the Puma Mb.03 Toxic. Hit the like and subscribe button for your boy. You already know I didn't bring this sweater out for no reason. I saved this for only the most craziest of colorways. And this is it. Let's put these hoes on the turntable, make them do the frickin' merengue. You already know what time it is. Let's go. Alright, YouTube, we're back with another one. Puma Mb.03. For me and you, I guess. Anyways, let's take a look at the upper. There's so much to look at here. First thing we're taking a look at is this textile upper. Yep, textiles. What do you expect? I don't know. It is what it is. Pretty sturdy, breathable, flexible, all that good stuff you're expecting from textiles. But this has a very interesting print on it. It's almost like a heat print. The Melo ball has to have the most craziest color shoes out of everybody. You know, you could blind a man on the court, hopefully passing by. I don't know. Shoot. Maybe he's trying to appeal to the kids and the youths. A little bit of a mesh textile here. I don't know. It's not really breathable or anything. It's more there for show. You have this bandana print style eyelet eye stay section, which I think is pretty cool off the bat. Kind of gives you, you know, bandana vibes. More of that print leading into the toe box mudguard area. They did do a little bit of a plastic covering in here to help protect the textile, you know, from getting dirty. It's hard to clean these shoes, fam, and it works out for you. But they did it in such a way where it kind of goes along with this outsole here. Midsole and outsole have the same pattern. That's actually the midsole built into the outsole there. But yeah, traction is super amazing. I mean, if you take a look at that, that's gonna do really well outdoors, indoors, front floor, wherever, I don't know. But these are gonna do really well. They might attract a little bit of a dust, but hey man, it is what it is. You can't have everything. Really stylish and sticking out all the way into the front toe box area of the mudguard, where it literally says not from here, and judging by the man and his shoes, he might not be from here. I know this colorway is kind of out there, but I don't know, there's something about it that's magical still. Brings me back to grade 6 when I was trying to style on them and my moms wouldn't buy me the craziest, most expensive shoe there was. On God, she be buying me them $60 joints that kind of fell apart halfway into the year. I had to buy them 2 or 3 times. My argument was, you're buying it 3 times anyways, might as well buy me the Jordans. Didn't work. Toe box area is very similar with this kind of clawed out raptor style, breaking through animalistic, you know, Night of the Living Dead kind of joint going on here. It is Halloween still, so, you know, Halloween vibes, fam. Not from here branding right on the tip of the toe with the one in green, purple laces with pink eye stay sections, pink, green and purple on the middle area of the tongue. And obviously this MB1 is very reminiscent of the tattoo. Obviously his chest tatty looks like this. Now if you are looking for a ball shoe, this is probably a good way to go. They don't cost that much, they fit really well, and they're stylish for the most part. Yeah, depends on what colorway you get though, on God. Now, if you guys remember from the other review I just did of the slimy green ones, this is basically a different overlay. Obviously, they had the bandana print, the Versace or whatever print underneath. This is more of a heat wave pattern. But anyways, leading up through the tongue before I got cut off by my camera, really nice stitching, MB1 chest tatty reminiscent. 1 of 1, and it says number 1 here with rare in this really cool, like, I don't even know how to describe that, man. Swizzled. It's swizzled on there. Rare. Number 1, dog. 1 of 1. Really cool tablature here right on the front of the shoe, man. Obviously textile inner, textile outer, textile everywhere, Bregin. I mean, it looks really like it's fabric, but it's not. There's actually a really good heel counter in there. It's very sturdy, good for ankle protection. Green Puma cat on the top with the Melo 111 1 of 1 branding on the back. La France branding here, obviously, and as I said before, you got the dodo bird on the back. It's extinct, but it made its return on the shoes. 1 of 1 branding on the heel section here. I really do like how they worked the outsole into the midsole. They kind of, it's not super plain, right? You know what I like about this sneaker? It's sturdy enough to last outdoors. It's gonna do good indoors. If anything, you could buy one shoe from one colorway and then put it with the next shoe, and mans are gonna think you have your own colorway and didn't come out and they missed it. I don't know. That's how many shoes there are, these. Rare on the outside, as you can see. I love love how they did this. It's not hidden like the other ones. Obviously they hid them. And as far as tech goes, we have 2 nitro pucks, one here in the heel section and one in the forefoot. Now I would definitely recommend going half size up. Let's take a look at the box real quick because it is very reminiscent of the other box. Heat wave pattern on here, 111 Melo branding, not from here on the side, and this is like, I don't know, some 70s print region. Like, don't do acid and buy this box. Box reads US size 10, Mb.03 toxic. Purple glimmer green gecko is our official colorway. Nothing crazy going on the inside except, you know, the receipt. But you do have this raptor claw window, which I was saying before. It looks like they bit the raptors. But oh, and by the way, it got a green insole on the inside. Puma green basketball. Yeah, there's pretty much it for the shoe, brethren. Medial side of the shoe looks pretty much the same. What do you guys think of these? Let me know in the comment section if you guys copped or not. I'm super interested. On foot coming up. Let me know what you guys thought of the Puma Mb.03. Did you guys cop them? Are they on your to cop list, or did you guys let them fly by you because there's so many of these coming out? Currently Foot Locker has all 3 versions still in stores, and I know Champs has them too. So if you guys missed out on the Puma MB1, go cop already, brethren. There's still colorways coming out. Hit the like and subscribe button for your boy. You already know how we do. Coming at you with more reviews ASAP. Wear what you like, not what's the hype. On foot coming up soon. Let's go.
Perfect.